Push yourself up and over, Derek. You can do it. Here you go. There you go. Little bit more. Little bit more. Now we can only see the back of you. Come on, finish rolling over. Finish rolling over. You're so close. You're so close. Finish rolling over, Derek. Push your leg over. You can do it. You can do it. So close. You're all the way on your side. There you go. Oh, come on. You're so close. There you go. You did it. Yay. What a big boy. You turned 4 weeks old yesterday and you're rolling over all on your own. Good job. Good job.